White Spar Campground beginning in June from my Riding from the Wayside adventures, Site 50. I showed up here last night, set everything up, got my instant tent, shade canopy, had coffee this morning. It's beautiful out here. Cooler than where I am hanging out a lot in Quartzsite and over in Palm Desert, California. I got everything set up the way I like it. I'm staying in the tent this time. It's a pretty good layout for my computer table and cot. It's a little tight, but it works for me. Yeah, enjoying my Riding from the Wayside. The plan for this season is to, starting this month, I'm going to finish up my Half-a-Rat View from the Clock Tower novel. I should have, if I don't work on it, nothing happens, but I will work on it and I will get it completed. I don't get too distracted out here. But if you get a chance, get out in the wilderness and enjoy the good weather and bad weather sometimes, but enjoy your life. All you riders, enjoy. God bless all of you. Oh boy, I like my campground. Riding from the Wayside.